So we're at my aunt's summer house right now, and this is where I spend like every summer since I was a little child. So it's a really nice place with a lot of memories, and I love to be here. And we're leaving. Hey, bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, so always when we road trip on Öland, we usually play this game where you have to point out every windmill and scream windmill, or väderkvarn as it's called in Swedish. And that's what we're gonna play right now.
I'm gonna win.
Nope.
Väderkvarn!
Väderkvarn! Jag var riktig!
Nej! Väderkvarn!
Someone has to have one in his garden.
Väderkvarn! 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 Damn!
Oh, here they make Swedish candy. Karamellkokeri.
Now we come to this Alvaret, the serious place that Linn was talking about earlier, and as you can see there's like only flat terrain all over. This is how it looks basically for kilometer after kilometer after kilometer, so very nice. It's a nature reserve right here with a little lake, and yeah, there's basically no houses as far as the eye can see, and pretty cool. Slowly walking the dog out here, and yeah, just gonna walk around there a little while before we head on the road again. So we've been driving through the forests of Småland now for a couple of hours, and we made it to this beautiful little lake we got right here. Now we're gonna take a dip in water and just relax for a while before we continue north. So we made it to our camping spot for the evening, and this is at a little lake here somewhere in Östergötland. And I'm gonna put up a fire so we can just grill some sausages and stuff like that. And Linn is gonna prepare for the tent. What do you think about the tent conditions, Linn?
Yeah, good. The location is great.
Just need a little bit of ship shaping. Wakey, wakey.
Nej.
So this is how it looks this beautiful morning by the lake. So we're heading the road again, and today we're keep on heading north, and we're gonna visit some friends in Värmland. So right now we're getting closer to a little place called Närke in Sweden. We just passed a city called Askersund, which is very beautiful. And yeah, just gonna continue driving through this beautiful land over here and enjoy our day. So I left Linn in a city called Karlstad, and she's gonna go meet an old friend called Hanna, who she used to study with her. And meanwhile, me and the dog Matey is heading down to a southern point of an island called Hammarö. We're gonna have a look at the biggest lake in Sweden. So yeah, let's go just check it out. Think we find the right camping ground? For how long have we been searching now?
An hour.
At least. But yeah, Linn said that this was the perfect place, so I trust in you.
Yes.
Good morning. We just woke up. It's an early morning here in the forest, and today we're gonna go to my grandma and grandpa and eat some breakfast and see them, and yeah, then we're gonna head home. So now we come to the little village where my grandmother and grandpa lives, and right now we're gonna head into the museum where my grandpa works at the moment. So yeah, gonna head in and check it out. I hereby declare Linn Björkman completing an epic road trip.
Heads up guys, don't forget to give us a like!
And subscribe down below. Thanks for watching!
Vadå?